Hello, my name is Michael Kibler of Kibler's Typewriter Company, and today I am going to show you folks the machine that I have for sale on my website. Now obviously this is an Oliver. More specifically, it is an Oliver number 5, serial number 439941, made in 1913. And before I go on, I'd like to point out one minor defect in the machine that I have for sale right now. Other than that, it's a perfect machine, but I just want to bring it out, point it to your guys' attention. The writing utensil holder at the top right, the type bar holder, the pencil holder right there, it's only for show. I mean, it's been repaired several times by myself, and it's cosmetically it's okay, but structurally it's not sound enough to hold, or to hold a writing implement, or to be used. But it's there for completeness sakes, and so yeah, it should be fine as long as you don't work on it, or use it, or push it, or anything like that. So just letting you guys know that. Other than that, it's an amazing, oh my god, it's an amazing machine. I restored this machine to be in tip-top shape. This is probably the best I've ever seen a machine come out of my shop, ever. And I mean, the paint is perfect. The nickel, you can see the nickel on the barrel right there, is perfect. You can see my camera, in the reflection. And the keys are perfect, the mechanics are smooth, the nickel's amazing, the paint's amazing, everything is just amazing, and the decals are also amazing, which I will read them to you right now. Manufactured by the Oliver Typewriter Company in Chicago, USA. Keep machine cleaned and oiled. That's good advice. Under the space bar, you have the patent dates, and above the keyboard you have the number 5 Oliver Standard Visible Writer. And when this design was patented by Reverend Thomas Oliver in the late 19th century, this was one of the first visible writers. You have the print type officer, the print type Oliver typewriter. The print type was the font used by the Oliver typewriter. It was patented. It was made to resemble the font used in books. And there's the Oliver typewriter decal right there. All in amazing condition, and not only is it cosmetically beautiful, but it's also mechanically sound. And what distinguished the Oliver from other machines is that the type bars, the U-shaped type bars up here, gave it the appearance of having what collectors call bat ears, and they do look like bat ears, the type bars right here. And I'll show you a type bar right now. U-shaped type bars. Some features of this glorious machine include a 1-color ribbon. 2-color ribbon was not popular at that time, but it has a brand new black ribbon in it. It has backspace. It's double carriage shift, which means that when you press the shift key, it moves the carriage backwards for capitals and forwards for figures. So let's use the A key as an example. If you wanted to do a lowercase a, you just hit the A key. If you wanted to do capital A, caps A. If you wanted to do the and sign, figure A. You're good to go. Another cool feature, in my opinion, is when you push the carriage or turn knob, it automatically advances the line 1 space, so you don't need a lever for anything. It just comes with the knob. I think that's pretty cool. Tabulator. You heard the bell there. You have your pencil holder up here, but once again, it's not mechanically sound, structurally sound. Left, right, ribbon reverse. Ribbon spool covers, the originals. And yeah, everything works. Beautiful and ready to go. And so now I'll do a typing test on it. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, which tests every letter of the alphabet to check for defaults with a type, in this case for onion. Alright, let's do this. Forgive me, I'm not used to this type of keyboard, 3-bank keyboard. I'll show you the results of the test here, if my camera will cooperate with us today. And it looks like it should be. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And that font does resemble book print, in my opinion. So yeah, this is a machine that's built to last. Thick cast iron body, great mechanics. I mean, this machine is beautiful. It even comes with handlebars on the side, called T-spouts by some people, for easy carrying. But this is a heavy machine, but it also means it's heavy duty. So if you, this is not a traveler's typewriter. This is more of the on your desk, you're going to write a novel typewriter, or it's a great conversation piece as well. So the price of this machine, due to the inoperative pencil holder, I have deducted the price. It is now going to be $530 plus whatever shipping happens to be. And you can find the link to this machine in the description bar of this video. And this has been a Kibler's Typewriter Company video production. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to contact me. Yeah, until next time, see you later, guys.